Speaker. Across the globe, governments and businesses are examining strategies to build back stronger and emerge from this pandemic with a competitive advantage. While approaches may vary from one jurisdiction to another, one thing is certain in Ontario. Natural resources, innovation and technological advancements will be the centre of our economic recovery and the critical ingredients to today's technology and critical minerals. Ontario is home to a vast number of critical minerals, including copper, zinc, platinum, lithium, chromite, nickel, and other materials that are in high demand. With the global demand for critical minerals set to increase exponentially, can the Minister of Energy, Northern Development and Mines expand on this great opportunity, how Ontario is seizing this opportunity in a very ethical and safe manner?
The member for Peterborough-Kawartha and parliamentary assistant.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and thank you very much to the member from Barrie-Innisfil for that question. Yesterday, I had the pleasure of joining Minister Rickford, Minister Fedeli, First Cobalt, Frontier Lithium and Indigenous community engagement to announce Ontario is developing a critical mineral strategy. This is part of our commitment to drive investment, increase Ontario's competitiveness in the global electric vehicle and green technology marketplace, all the while creating career job opportunities in Ontario's mining sector. Last year, the World Bank estimated the demand for critical minerals will increase by as much as 500% by the year 2050. These minerals are essential components in medicine, aerospace, defence, and carbon emission zero electric vehicles. Ontario is positioned to supply the entire world with critical minerals that are vital to the strategic high-growth industries like electric vehicles, computer and telecommunication technology, and other clean technologies that support a low-carbon future. This presents a tremendous opportunity, and I'll have more to say in my supplementary.
A supplementary question.
Well, thank you, Speaker. And countries all over the world are racing to find suppliers of responsible sourced critical minerals to support their manufacturing and technology sectors. Whether it's granite, lithium, platinum, it can be found here in Ontario. Mining companies have a lot of options when it comes to deciding where they'd like to go and develop their new operations. It's important that from the very beginning we have a development strategy here in Ontario and that we develop it as soon as possible, not to lose on this incredible potential investment, these jobs, and to highlight Ontario's ethical practices and our great safe practices. So will the minister tell us in the legislature and the rest of the world what we are doing to really amplify this sector? Thank you.
Member for Peterborough-Kawartha.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. As demand grows for critical minerals, Ontario is positioned as a stable, reliable and responsible supplier. Environmental, social and governance factors have never been more important. People want to know that they're investing in areas with responsible, environmentally conscious governments, and that is exactly what investors are getting in Ontario. We'll continue to collaborate with community stakeholders, business owners, regulatory bodies, conservation groups, and Indigenous community rights holders. The Ontario Mining Association had this to say about it. We applaud this initiative and look forward to working with the government on developing Ontario's critical mineral strategy. This is a great way to support Ontario's transition to a low-carbon economy and boost our ability to meet growing global demand for responsibly sourced materials. Mr. Speaker, the industry is excited, our government is excited, and we look forward to developing this strategy in collaboration with all of our partners.